Hello everyone, it's me, Andrea. I've purchased Jordan's courses on January of the last year, and I have to say that this guy really changed my life. So far, I have watched Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, YouTube Advanced Masterclass, and Buy 9 to 5 Live Premium Mastermind. Now, if I have bought all these courses, you can definitely understand how much I liked all of them. All these courses provide a great value since they are constantly updated with new working strategies. Do you want some proof? This is the dashboard of my channel. I've started this channel the last week of November 2019. All I did was put into practice Jordan's teaching, nothing more and nothing less. So far, as you can see, I have made almost $30,000 with just one channel. My channel has 20,000 subscribers and I have uploaded 80 videos. So, if you ask me if I would recommend Buy 9 to 5 by Jordan Mackey, the answer is absolutely. Totally worth it. Goodbye.